Hello everyone, this is English with Faz and welcome to another video. Today, we're going to learn all about the verb to be. In today's grammar lesson, we'll be covering what is the verb to be, how to use it, the verb to be forms, and we'll finish with a little practice. Are you ready? Let's get started. So let's start with what is the verb to be? What you need to know is that the verb to be is one of the most used verbs in the English language. It can be used as an auxiliary verb or as a main verb. And it is one of the most irregular verbs as well. The verb to be is used frequently and for a lot of different purposes. Now, let's see how to use it. We can use the verb to be to describe something or someone. The most common use of the verb to be is to talk about names, ages, feelings, professions, and nationalities. Now, let's move to the forms of the verb to be. So let's start with the base form, be. This is the most basic form of the verb, and it's how we can find it in a dictionary. It's mostly used when using imperatives and also as the infinitive. Now let's see some examples. In the imperative, we can say, be nice to your sister. In the infinitive, we can say, I like to be alone. Now, let's move on to the present form. This form of the verb is mainly used in the simple present, and its meaning can change depending on the use in the context. Also, when writing, the present form of the verb to be can be shortened. So, this is how the verb to be looks like in the present. In the affirmative, we say, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are, you are. In the negative, we say, I'm not, you're not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, they are not, you are not. Now let's see some examples. He is Simon. Emily is 7 years old. Jessica and Sandy are happy. They are from China. You are an artist. Now let's see the past form. When talking about the past, the to be verb changes its form again. Here's how the verb to be looks in the past. In the affirmative, we say, I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were, you were. In the negative, we say, I was not, you were not, he was not, she was not, it was not, we were not, they were not, you were not. Let's see some examples. I was at the park yesterday. You were 12 years old last year. Kelly and John were good students. It was snowing a few minutes ago. Next, the past participle been. This is the form of the to be verb used with the perfect tenses, and it is the same for all the subjects. Let's see some examples. He has been asleep all day. Jack and Billy have been talking for an hour. He has been a doctor for a year now. Now, the continuous form, being. The continuous form of the to be verb is used to make up the continuous tenses. Just as the past participle, it's the same for all the subjects. Here's an example. Brad is being helpful. And the last form is the passive form. The to be verb, both in its present and past forms, can be used to make passive sentences. Let's see some examples. The movie was filmed in the forest. The show is being recorded right now. Now, time to practice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.